Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI platform in just a few minutes. First, go to Create AI Platform, click on Create New. Enter your title. Let's say AI Designer. Enter your description. Let's set the price to $97. Here you can enable or disable your lead generation. If you enable it, you will be able to collect all the leads and send them to your own autoresponder, or you can save them locally inside the software and even email them. We're going to select locally here for now. Click on Continue. Here, you need to select a domain. You can use your own domain. You can use a subdomain as well. Let's use the subdomain for now. Then the most important thing, enter your PayPal client ID so you can accept money directly into your PayPal account and make 100% of the profits. Here, you need to upload your logo, and here you need to enter your name. What's amazing is whatever you enter in here, it be shown in the sales page. You don't have to do anything. Let me add a small intro. Here, you need to upload your image. Okay, let's use that. And then we need to upload a logo for our software. Okay, so here we can upload our logo. So I selected this one. This looks good. Next, I can change the color of my app. I'll try this one. And then just click on Continue. And these are the admin username, password, and email for your platform. Now, using these details, your site will be created in just a few minutes. Oops, SMTP not added. Okay, let me disable the lead generation for now. Let's go continue, submit. Now, let me show you the site. Your site is ready. And this is your business, which is ready with all the design, sales video, sales copy, buy buttons. You're done in just a few clicks. Your entire business is ready to sell and make you money. Here is your image, name, all the details you entered about yourself. This is a very high converting sales copy. This has generated over $130,000 so far. There is even a demo, features, bonuses. This is a full-fledged sales copy and website that you can just start promoting and collect money directly to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal, you can still sell it and make money. I will show you later in the video. Now, let me show you some other features of this software. You can get the details of the main admin area of the software here. You can click to the login panel, enter your username and password. Okay, so it's working great. You can download this image. You can edit this image. So this is what your customers will be getting. It has all the designs, graphic styles, and they can create stunning AI images and graphics for their businesses. So other than that, you can change your logo. You can update your PayPal ID here. You can see how many users are using your app. And here can get people to sign up through this registration link as well. Let's say you want to sell it outside of PayPal. You can sell access to software directly as well. You can collect money from your customer, and once they pay you, you can manually send them to the sign up link. Or you can sign up on behalf of them and send them the login details. Next cool feature is you can see all the leads that signed up to use your software here, both buyers and who just entered their email but did not buy. You can follow up with them. Here you can add your own server like Mailgun and SendGrid, and you can send follow-up emails to all the people who signed up directly through the software itself. You can see all the leads here. You want to promote them something else and make more money. You can also select our Done for your affiliate offers. Get your affiliate link, use our Done for you swipes and promote them. So thank you so much. I hope you really liked the video, and this is how you can start selling own AI platform in just a few minutes and start collecting payments. It's super, super quick and easy. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.